Well, for lunch, it's going to be some Sbarro pizza. But while I was in there, I managed to get some of this. So I'm going to have spaghetti tonight. I asked them for this little container, and I went to the counter, and I poured up a little bit of oregano and garlic powder. Because I don't have any on the truck. I keep forgetting to get it. But it's going to be good on that spaghetti. It'll help it out. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Well, it starts like this. I get the half-cut spaghetti. You can get the long stuff and cut it in half yourself. But it needs to be short enough that it'll fit inside the Ziploc bag. Okay? That's the trick. A bowl and your favorite spaghetti sauce, whatever you like to use. And I like to put a little butter in there because it makes the noodles kind of separate. You guys, have y'all ever noticed how unruly spaghetti seems to be sometimes? I mean, don't knock the box over because every bit of it will spill out. You know that. I'm going to have to set this down gently. Kind of restack it a little bit. There we go. About that much water in the spaghetti. I know it seems like a lot, but spaghetti will absorb a lot of that water. And we stick it in the microwave, just like so. You know, I closed the lid like I did with the rice and left a little gap open in the middle, you know, to let the pressure out. We don't want the bag exploding. And I'm gonna set it initially for 6 minutes. We'll check it out. You know, I've got my microwave mounted underneath the bunk. Can't see it real well. Try to turn on various lights, but it's under the bunk, strapped to the top bunk. Yeah, and I found it to be a good idea when you're cooking to throw a towel down on the bed, because when you open the door, moisture usually accumulates and drips out onto your bed. So I have tried making spaghetti in the Burton stove to go. You see, I scalded a few things in here, and I've overcooked some stuff. But yeah, this thing's really great, but I haven't had any luck with spaghetti or rice in this. I just haven't perfected my skills with it, but I just haven't had any luck with those two items in here. So I don't try it anymore. Just explaining why I don't use that. I just haven't been lucky making spaghetti with it. I find it extremely useful for roast. However, it has a really good roast and baby back ribs in the Burton stove to go. I can begin to smell it. I can smell it all right. It's smelling pretty good. So I know it's boiling. And you might not be able to see it, but I can see the water foaming up in the bag. So it's cooking. It's getting pretty hot. Pretty stinking hot. And it's running out inside of it. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of moisture coming out of this microwave. It's almost done. We'll check it out. Okay, I expect this bowl to be pretty warm, and yeah, it's not bad. It's a microwave safe kind of bowl. I feel good about it. All right, the spaghetti's soft, but not quite soft enough. Not quite. It's bending. It's not quite right just yet. So I'm going to stick it in there for another 3 minutes. know what? I think I'm gonna pull it out right now. Actually, we gotta be careful. It's getting hot. Oh, that bowl's getting hot. I want to add my mixture that I got earlier. Okay, let it finish up that 3 minutes there. The oregano has changed everything. Let's get another peek. Oh my God, it is hot now. I gotta be careful. Wow, that's hot. It got hot quick. Hoo-wee, ooh. Now, let's test the noodles. They're pretty soft. I'm having some success. I think the bag ruptured, or it just spewed so much out that it's not going to stay in there any longer. So I need to drain it now. And the bag is too hot to hold. Oh, the bowl is too hot to hold. Ouch. All right, there we go. Get that out. Test this a little bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. There's a little clump right there. I think what I'll do is I'll soak it. Let it get in there and soak. But the noodles are nice and wet and soft. Yeah, very good. Now, I get my favorite spaghetti sauce and shake it up nicely. So it's mixed well. It's been on the shelf for a few weeks. Might have to check the expiration date on it. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Should be good for a long time. What does it say? Oh, March 16th, 2019. Oh, okay. Now, if I was at home, I would heat this in a pan. But since I'm not at home, I'm just gonna pour it in there. Yeah, pour it in there just like that. Yep. Back in the microwave it goes again for maybe 2 minutes. That bowl has cooled down considerably. It's my impression that microwaves tend to, the food seems to cool off quickly. Have you guys noticed that? You cook something in a pan or oven, the food seems to stay hotter for a longer period of time. Is that my imagination? Beginning to get hot, so I'm gonna sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on it. A little more. Yeah, why not? A little more. Hot. I can handle it. Back in the microwave. And if I was at home, I'd really like to put that in the oven. Put a nice little browning on top of that cheese. Ooh, that's good stuff. It's good that way. And you know how it is. If you're gonna have spaghetti, you need to have some wine. I happen to have some powdered wine here. So we'll have some wine to go with spaghetti. And there you go. Microwave spaghetti. Look at that. It's gonna be great. You guys have a good night. Thank you for watching my video.